McKenna will be starting her own YouTube channel, The Marvelous McKenna, and I will start my YouTube channel back up again. And if you'd like to follow her, we're probably going to do some woodworking, some probably arts and crafts, maybe laser and CNC stuff. We'll see how, definitely 3D printing. So if you check her channel out, greatly appreciate it. So I met Patrick and Michelle back in, I think 5 or 6 years ago in Spring Make in Cleveland, Ohio. They run the company Leather by Dragonfly. Yeah, oh my God. This is like the 8th take on this. Why Patrick, I can't remember and say it the right way. I sorry. Oh, there's a picture of the logo right there, and I still can't read it. But I had ordered this this apron and love it and wear it majority of the time in the shop. And they had sent me a box, and I'm gonna have McKenna open it. So let's have McKenna open this box. You gotta take one step back so the camera can get you. Take one step back or to your left. Right? That's your left? Yeah, that's your left. Alright.
It's my left, it's your left.
I know. It's my left, your left. I'm on my right, your left. Alright, I'm gonna open that up. Careful. You can rip it. It's just plastic.
Got muscles here.
Got muscles, yeah. Alright, put that to the side. Alright. Okay.
Is it a mini one for me?
It is a mini one for McKenna.
Can you hold these for me?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. You don't even need these. I don't know why you had them on.
Because I was showing you.
Oh, because you were playing on the computer. That's right. So, this is the apron.
Whee!
And we're going to be working in the shop together. And thank you, Patrick and Michelle. We will use this for a long time. Well, she'll have it for a while. She's not growing that quick anymore. She slowed down a little bit, but at least 5, 6 years, hopefully she'll get out of that, and then she can upgrade. All right. Thank you again, and just to let you guys know, I'll be putting more videos out along with McKenna. So, thank you. Have a good day. Be safe. Welcome back to Miter Mike's Woodshop. I am Michael, and this is my daughter McKenna.
His favorite.
Yes, you're my favorite McKenna. So
No, I'm your favorite dog.
well, you can't say that. You can't say that. They're gonna see it. So we can't play favorites, but she's my favorite McKenna. We'll leave it at that.